good morning boys and girls. Today we will make art and craft about moon phases. But first I want you to know what is the moon phases. The moon phases is the different shapes of the lit portion of the moon that can be seen from Earth are known as phases of the moon. Each phase repeats itself every 29.5 days. The same half of the moon always occurs over the same half of the moon surface. Now let's get ready. Now I have the worksheet of the moon phases, paper plate, scissor, popsicle stick, black color pencil, and a glue stick. And don't forget the black paint. And now get the paper plate. And we have to cut it. We have to cut it in the middle. Now you can ask your mommy or your daddy to help you to cut this paper plate, okay? After finish cutting like this, now it's time to paint the paper plate with the black color. If you don't have the black paint, you can also use a black oil pastel or black color pencil. After finish paint, let's dry it first. Now let's get the moon phases worksheet and let's draw about moon phases. You can follow me, okay? And now let's color together. And now let's cut it. And I already cut it. And here I have new moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent. Let's get the paper plate that we already painted before. And now let's stick the moon phases one by one. You can follow me. let's stick the name of the moon phases also, okay? And after finish, let's get the popsicle stick, put the tape, and let's stick it on the back of the paper plate. And it's done! Now you already have your art and craft about moon phases. You can keep this in your room so you will always remember the names of the moon phases. See you again next time with another art and craft. Bye bye!